Where Excel is used. Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis, and it is used across all business functions and at companies from small to large, even for your own daily budget. So, financial sector is the main use of Excel, including financial sector in exclusive using to perform different kind of calculation analytic. Professional use Excel almost every day for applying the basic analytic technique and tools. Banking sector use to understand the customer, retail, associate user for analytics, the pulse data to check the change and trend in sell people, then analysis used for gathering data. Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly report healthcare team used to perform the longitude data analytics market researcher analytics used for finding the frequency and conclusive equation VBA developer user to develop the Office application tools, Office add-on and dashboard. So almost everything that need to be organized, Excel will help you out. So Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft and a component of a Office product group for business application, or Microsoft Excel enable user to format, organize and calculate spreadsheet.